I am Sadaf and I am super excited today as this is the very first video of my Photoshop training series. So if you're new to Photoshop, you have no idea where to begin, how Adobe Photoshop works, what is it used for, then definitely subscribe to my channel because I'll be making videos starting from the very basics and essentials to eventually moving into the more advanced stuff. My goal here is to keep the videos as simple and to the point as possible. So if you're just starting out and are intimidated by just looking at the interface of Photoshop, don't worry. We are going to start from the very basics. This video is about the introduction of Photoshop. So let's jump in. First, let's talk about what is Photoshop. Photoshop is a software developed and published by a company called Adobe Inc. for Windows and Mac operating system. Photoshop is not only used for photo editing like the general concept is, it can be used for many other applications. We can use Photoshop to create social media posts and design wallpapers. Artists can use Photoshop to create digital artwork. Web designers can use Photoshop to design the layouts of their websites. We can even use Photoshop to design posters and make advertisements. And some people use Photoshop to draw, sketch, or even paint digitally. Photoshop is essentially a creative platform that lets you and your creative mind to go on whatever journey you want to go on and then actually create it. It's like a blank canvas. You get to decide what should be the size of that canvas, what should be the shape of that canvas, and what you actually want to put on that canvas. Sky truly is the limit when it comes to Photoshop. It is such a powerful tool that it has become an industrial standard. You can earn a good amount of money by using your skills in Photoshop. One last thing before I sign off from this introductory video of Photoshop is that once you learn the basics in Photoshop, creativity has no limits and it automatically starts flowing in you. And practice does make perfect. On that note, I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.